Like to sing. I'm not a singer, but I love to sing. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to try. I know just where to find the answer, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to shame. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just when to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly. And I'm never gonna tell you every time I'm gonna tell you, but I'm gonna give it a try. And I know the roads to riches, and I know the ways to fame. I know all the rules and them, I know how to break them, and I always know the name of the game. But I don't know how to reveal, and I never let you fall. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all, out of nothing at all, out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all, out of nothing at all. Every time I see you, all the rays of the shine are the street. The beating of my heart is a drum, it knows it's looking for a rhythm like you. You can take the darkness from the pit of the night and turn it into a fake of morning and endlessly right. I gotta follow it, cause every time I know I'm nothing, till I give it to you. I can make the last stumble, I can make the final breath, and I can make every twinkle of the sun, the whistle, I can make all the stars laugh. I can make tonight forever, or I can make it disappear at all. And I can make you every promise that has ever been made, I can make up all the demons began. And I'm never gonna make it without you. Do you really want me? And I'm never gonna make it like you do, making love out of nothing at all, 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 out of nothing.